welcome back to Ashley Life. In today's class, we're gonna do Costco empties. Now, the Costco empties that I'm gonna show you are things that I buy, run out of, and then buy again at Costco, just because Costco has amazing deals on things. Like, you really can't beat it. So if you can and have the space to buy in bulk, you really should. And for these Costco empties, I'm just gonna stick to things, just because if I add in food and drink, I feel like this class is gonna be forever. Maybe I will do that in another class. If food and drink empties from Costco are something you want to see, like this video and comment below to let me know. Right, let's go to Costco and get some stuff. Starting off, what I buy over and over at Costco are these hangers. These are actually a little bit different. They added this to them, but that's cool. But they're even better when they're on sale. So when they go on sale, I always make sure to pick up a couple boxes. I always stock up on my Q-tips here. And I always get my lotion from here because it's such a good price. I'm also really allergic to scents, so anytime a lotion has scents in it, it always makes me like get some kind of a rash. So Cetaphil is the perfect answer, and I love it. And I've recently switched my face wash to this Gentle Skin Cleanser, and I love it. And my skin's been loving it. And it's on sale, so I'm gonna grab some. I also get my Dove body wash here. Sometimes it's on sale, which is awesome, but I'm all stucked up right now, so I don't need any today. And of course, I always stock up on toothpaste here. I usually wait till it's on sale. I have some at the house right now, so we're good. I'm gonna wait for it to go on sale. I also get my pre-workout here. This is what I use, Gold Standard. This one is Fruit Punch, and it's only $19.97, and it's a great price, and I looked it up online and compared it to like other things, and people prefer this. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. They have my favorite pair of leggings on sale. You cannot beat that for 2 pairs of awesome leggings. Also, this is where we get my husband's boxers and where we get his socks, which he is in need of. So let's grab some of those. And those socks too. And I definitely grab my towels here. And yes, it's even better when they're on sale. So if you see them on sale, grab some. Ooh. There is some on sale. I just recently bought some though. I don't need towels. Oh, and batteries. Definitely get your batteries here. And then don't forget there is the Kirkland brand too, which is awesome. But I always make sure to do the math to see which one's priced better, because sometimes these are on sale, sometimes these are on sale. So just do the math and figure out which ones you're gonna buy. Can't go wrong. We get our light bulbs here. We also get our windshield wiper blades here when we need new ones put in. I always get my Dawn dish soap here because it's a great price and it goes on sale all the time. I already have like 2 in my house though, so I don't need any more. And then I always get my laundry detergent and softener at Costco too. I always get my plastic wrap and my tin foil at Costco. I always get my Pledge at Costco. It's what my cleaner likes, so that's what I get her. And then if you watched any of my Vlogmas over Christmas time, you know that we're putting in a dishwasher, so it's paper plate and red Solo cup time at my house. Oh, and I almost forgot, this is where I stock up on my Clorox bleach, and it has the refill and the spray bottle to come with it. Oh my gosh, and Ziploc is a must-have, and Costco has the best prices, and guess what? They're all on sale right now. I really do like getting the variety pack though, just because I don't want to have too many of the snack ones or sandwiches, but they're nice to have around just for a little bit. I am always using the quart freezer and the gallon freezer bags because I food prep and I buy a lot of extra food, so this makes it so easy. I always get my bathroom tissue here, and I always get my paper towels here, and I always get the Kirkland brand because $15.99. Here's the Bounty, $15.99 on sale, but it's still 12 rolls, only 117 sheets. This is 12 rolls and 160 sheets. This one is still the better deal. And then we get our trash bags here. And that was just a little journey on my Costco empties and what I continuously rebuy every time I go to Costco. So if there's things that I got that you get too because you love a good deal, let me know in the comments below. And hopefully maybe I showed you a couple of new things that you could be getting there that you didn't know you could get before. And also, if I'm missing something, let me know in the comments below. Be sure to like and share so other people can like and share. And don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you next class. Oh my gosh, this is so awesome. It is a foldable ottoman. No joke. I need this for when I go glamping. And oh my gosh, we got these string lights here for our backyard that are amazing. What are these ones? They're on sale for $19.99. What? I must investigate. I want to get them just because they're such a good price, but we don't really need them because we have them already. But I want to get them. It's a problem. Oh my gosh. Can I tell you how excited I am to try out this little ottoman right here? I feel like it's going to be perfect for glamping, and I feel like it'll come in handy for other things too, but I don't know about you, but when you camp and you're in your tent, there's like a bunch of stuff that you have that's like in your tent, like food or whatever. This will be perfect to put all of that random stuff in so your tent just doesn't look like a mess. Oh, I'm so excited. And if you're new to my channel, please do take a moment to hit that subscribe button so you can stay up to date on all the fun. I do hair, makeup, and life hacks weekly, so you don't want to miss out.